Discover is actually, I'd call it an evolution of solutions that Altium has generated over the years. It's kind of combining technologies that come from brands like Octopart, Altium Designer, and Altium 365. And it's really for anyone in the industry who wants to design electronics and do it more efficiently perhaps than they had before. That's from the perspective of someone who creates electronic-based products. But on the other hand, we are also helping with that solution the electronics distributors and the semiconductor manufacturers, the silicon manufacturers themselves. The way that it makes life easier for product designers in a product OEM is by kind of transitioning from the idea of searching for components, which we've done for many years with Octopart, to actually searching for solutions or modules that might make up a part of a system that's trying to be designed. So what we demonstrated earlier was how someone who wanted to create a traffic monitoring system might search for a solution for the camera module, for example. And in doing so, it kind of moves away from selecting components one by one, only to find that they don't interact together in the way that we want. So by finding a full module or solution for that, we know everything is going to work together more effectively. The other thing that it does for us is allows us to connect to the distributors and even the silicon manufacturers themselves to be able to ask questions about whether or not this is the right fit for what we want to be able to do. So in those ways, it just sort of streamlines the entire process. It's actually not something that's been done before. So today, what people use are tools like Visio or Lucid charts or things to create block diagrams to design a system, but then they have to move it into the tools where they actually do the design, tools that can evaluate functional fit. What we're doing is moving all of that sort of block diagram approach to system design directly into the tools where we do the design of a printed circuit board and the full kind of electronic system. I actually think this is going to be, I don't know if I want to use the word revolutionary, but I think that it's really going to transform in many ways the way that people work. And one thing I guess I would like to say about it is that, you know, Altium has been acquired in the last year by Renesas Corporation, and being able to have the kind of the minds that are thinking about how printed circuit boards are built, but also the minds that are designing the silicon and understanding what are the needs of each, really put us in a position to create these kinds of solutions that haven't existed before. So it's really the benefit of Altium and Renesas coming together.